Hello guys, welcome back to unboxing. In this video we're going to be unboxing a Lego haul from CNFANS. So if you guys want any items, check out that spreadsheet. Every product is linked down below, and make sure to use the sign up link if you guys want to get cheaper shipping. And yeah, now we're going to be unboxing. So each Lego set was $65 by the way, but let me show you why it was $65 so you actually get the idea of it. I mean, the boxes are kind of fucked up probably because of the shipping, but let me show you. Wow. So as you guys can see, onto the first Lego set we have this Lego McLaren. As you guys can see, it even comes with a Lego logo and the Technic logo. These are oh my god, wait, these are directly from the factory where they actually produce them. So yeah, I found this Lego set for the price of $65. And don't forget, these go for around about 200 bucks. So you guys do you. As you can see, oh my god, look at the quality. Just take a look at the Lego manual. It even has the Lego logo on the top. Oh my god, with the stickers too. They even come with all the stickers that they actually come with. And here is the McLaren logo again. And let me just show you like a page. Just take a look at this, guys. For 65 bucks, can you imagine that? On to the next item, we have the Lego Ferrari. By the way, I don't want to unbox these because then they're not sealed anymore and I cannot do my stuff anymore with them. But just take a look at the quality. Honestly, you can't really complain. Just take a look at the set. For 65 bucks, you cannot even start complaining. This is how it looks like from behind, and this is how it looks like from the front. And honestly, if anyone's trying to sell you a vendor, that's complete bullshit. The only ways to get this is have a contact in the factory. The vendors are just buying the Lego sets from the stores to them for then they sell you the vendors. So yeah, keep out. So on to the next Lego set. This one is also sealed in a cartoon box to protect them from shipping. But as you guys can see, some of them are a bit bent, but for $65 you guys can't complain. By the way, the shipping for all of these products were $120, a total of 10 kilograms. So make sure to use that coupon code so you get the same thing. But now let me show you. As you guys see, this is the Lego Porsche. Take a look at the Lego logo, take a look at the tags. This is how it looks like from the front. The box not even damaged. Here you also have the Lego logo. Here you have the QR codes and everything. So yeah, this stuff is directly from the factory. I'm not gonna bore you with some random Lego sets that just come on like this without the box. This is real quality, guys. And just take a look at the back of it. Can't really complain. This is 65 bucks, guys. And yeah, this even has like the Lego smell like you get when you get it from the store, you know. So yeah, now let's get to the last item. As you guys can see, look how they're even shipped. As an example, take a look at this. It says BMW on it, so you already know it's from Lego. But yeah guys, this video is for educational purposes only, as you saw in the intro. So yeah, now let's unbox this. What do we have here? And this shit's so hard to open. So on to the next item, we have the BMW motorcycle. As you guys can see, this is what this looks like. There's the BMW logo here. On the other hand, you have the Lego logo here. The Empower logo. This is the motorcycle, by the way. Here you have the one-to-one thingy to the real thing, like it shows you the same size and the stuff for it, like the size comparison 1:4 and stuff like that. Here you also have like all the Lego details of it. And yeah, this is the craziest Lego haul I've ever made. By the way, these items are linked in the spreadsheet under the Lego section. If we find more with including the Lego logo, I will let you guys know. But for now, yeah, this is the whole. I hope you really enjoy this, and we're gonna do more stuff like this. So yeah guys, I appreciate a thumbs up, and yeah, keep rocking those kicks, and peace out.